Good morning, children. So, we will be doing the third standard, second language, English. We had completed the first lesson and then we had done page number 2 and 3 as the first exercise. Now we will continue from page number 4. Is that clear, children? Hope you have your textbooks along with you. Okay, get ready with your textbooks. Now this is your English come reader activity book, second language, third standard. The first lesson was 3 seeds in a hole, and then we seen a dialogue conversation, and now we are going to page number 4. Okay, what comes in page number 4? It says, read the words in the triangle, find a word within each word and write it. One is done for you. Now the meaning is, in this triangle, there are a few words. First of all, children, you should be able to read the word. Okay? Once you read the word, you will have to underline or find out the 2, 3 or 4 letter words. The smaller word hidden in the bigger word. Okay, children? I will do it for you. 1 or 2 I'll do. The balance you have to do. So you have to follow me carefully. Okay? The word is plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Insect. I-N-S-E-C-T, insect. Okay. Now we will go to the first word. Look at this word once again. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Example they have given you in the first one. A-N-T, ant, is a small hidden word out of this big word. From this big word. See, A-N-T. Okay, let's do the second one. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Now in the second one you can find E-A-R, year. Okay? E-A-R, year. Now I want you to do the next one. Soil, water, mango, forest, cloud, insect. Only if you do it, children, you will be able to understand whether you are able to follow me or not. Okay? Now, one more. I'm going to continue with the next one. I've just taken this word mango. Can you see? M-A-N-G-O, mango. And I've asked you to do something. It says, make many small words. Okay? Make many small words using the above spelling or above big word. Okay, children? Using the above spelling or above the big word. Now what you have to do is, one example I've given, mango. Now from mango, you have understood the smaller word man. Okay. Then there's another word also, go. You can also make an. You can also make no. Okay. So this is also another way to identify whether you are able to make 2 or 3 letter words. I want you to do the next one. Second one I've given you as vegetable. I want you to make at least 5 words using vegetable. You have to use the same spellings. Do not change the spelling. Okay? Do not change the alphabets. You can use the same spelling, and then you can make 2 letter, 3 letter, 4 letter, 5 letter words. Okay, children? You practice. Okay, let me do one for you. Let's see, get. Okay? G-E-T, get. Okay, now the balance 4, you do it in your textbook and send it to me on the WhatsApp assignment group. Now let's go to page number 5. Now page number 5 is very simple. Okay, here it says, now this is called a maze or a grid. What is it called as a grid? Now in this grid there are many spellings. It's also called as a maze. It can also be called as a grid. There are many alphabets. Now all the alphabets are mixed and you will find the names of some of these which are given below. Some of the fruits and vegetables are mentioned below. Their names are hidden in this maze. You will have to identify it. Okay, we will do, one is already given example. Second one I'll show you. Balance you have to do in your home. Okay children. Let's go to page number 5. Let's go shopping. How many vegetables and fruits can you find in this maze? Okay, look at the pictures. Draw a circle around each word. One has been given for you. Okay, what he says is this is a maze. Means jigsaw puzzle. All the spellings are mixed. In the mixed of the spellings, you will find the word that is, you will find the names that are asked below. First, let us name the words that are asked below. I will just read it for you. But I want you to write the spelling yourself. I will spell it also for you. Okay, children? Let's see. Tomato, potato, apple, carrot, peas, beans, banana. Okay, these are the names given. Tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Peas, P-E-A-S, peas. Beans, B-E-A-N-S, beans. And then you have banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. In this picture you have fruits and vegetables. Now look at this, children. This you should check both ways. You can check this. This is the first time you are seeing maze. You can see it two ways. One, you can check horizontally. You can check vertically. You can also check diagonally. Okay? There are three ways. Horizontally, or sleeping straight line, standing up straight line, or lying down straight line. Any way you can do it and check whether the spellings are coming. Let's see. Now in this, we'll go step by step. Okay? Right. This way. Yeah. You see? Okay, here P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Okay, let's block this. Potato. Color it, children, using different colors. Okay, for each one use a different color. Okay, one more. Can I do it for you? Or will you do it yourself? Okay, we will do it. Okay, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay, now let's mark apple, and then what must you do? You must color it. So the next names, see here, they have given a clue for you. Tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O. Once you mark all these names, you can go step by step, children. Tomato is already done. Potato is already done. Apple is already done. Search for where is carrot. Then search for where is peas. Then you search for where is beans. And then banana. Once you get the names, then you fill in the whole thing. Color wherever the names are using different colors. Name the pictures neatly. Use small letters only because they are all common nouns of fruits and vegetables. Take a photocopy of it and send me on the assignment group. You got that, children? Let's go to page number 6. Page number 6 says that complete the boxes with suitable words. One and many. I have done this for you children, but in my next class I will be teaching you about singular and plural or one and many. Okay, so insect, insects, mango, mangoes, bee, bees, apple, apples, sparrow, sparrows, potato, potatoes. I know that in your second standard you have studied all this. That's why I have written it. You only have to revise it so that you will understand it. Even more you will remember what you studied. Is that clear? In my next class I will give you the clues or the rule of singular and plural. Eighth means one word in each set is different from the others. Circle the odd one out. Now here are all names. I hope you have listened to the previous lesson what I did about nouns. Okay, we have studied about common noun, we studied about noun is a naming word, then we studied about proper noun, and then we also studied about collective noun. Now what does this say? See, there are so many names here. Okay, and they have given you clue. Clue is a hint for you to find it little bit easy, make it easier for you. Now what you have to do is, here you first learn to read the word. Understand what it says. Okay, let's do the first one. Banyan, neem, people, mango, snake, apple. Now the clue that is given is these are all trees. Okay, so what is the hint given to you? Whatever names that they are given, it's trees. So let's see. Banyan, yes, it's a tree. Neem, tree. People, tree. Mango, tree. Snake, no, it's not a tree. Snake is belonging to an animal kingdom. So snake does not belong to the group. It's not a tree. And then apple is also a tree. You got that, children? So it means that these words, clue is it's not a tree, snake is not a tree, it's an animal. You marked it. Let's go to the second one. I'll just read it for you and then I'll tell you the clue. You have to mark it yourself. Peas, potato, tomato, sunflower, carrot, brinjal. Okay, the clue is these are all vegetables. Now you have to check if they are vegetables or if it's a flower or if it's a fruit, whatever they have given name, you check and see and underline. Third one. Lion, horse, goat, cow, kangaroo, melon. Now the clue is these are all animals. You check, children. Apart from animal, if anything does not belong to the group, you underline. Follow, children? Okay. Now, peacock, parrot, squirrel, crow, sparrow. Now your clue is these are all birds. Check these words. Check these names. Peacock, parrot, squirrel, crow, sparrow. If they are bird or not a bird. Okay. Fifth one. Rose, lily, sunflower, lotus, cauliflower. Clue is these are flowers. Now, apart from a flower, whichever word comes, underline the word. Now, if you find it difficult to read, then split. Banyan, B-A-N, ban, Y-A-N-N, banyan. Neem, N-E-E-M, neem. People, P-E-E-P-A-L, people. Last time we studied about long vowel and short vowel. Look at this. This is a long vowel. So you should read it as neem. This is a long vowel. People. Okay, children. That's the way you read it when it's a long vowel. Is that clear? Okay. Now these spellings you will be knowing. Sunflower. S-U-N, sun. F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Brinjal. B-R-I-N, brinjal, J-A-L, jal, brinjal. Vegetables, V-E-G-E, vegetables, T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Kangaroo, kangaroo, K-A-N-G, kang, is A, roo is R-O-O, kangaroo. Now look here also children, it's a long vowel. Two O's are there. So kangaroo. Is that clear children? Now let's go to the next one, which spelling you'll find it difficult. Squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R. Squirrel. R-E-L. Squirrel. Okay children. Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I, cauliflower, F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. As much as possible, split, read, understand, by heart it, so that it will be very easy for you to do it, children. Okay, now you have to fill in this, then you have to underline the balance, take a photocopy and send it. Okay, let's go to page number 7. Page number 7 says, page number 7, ninth main, these sentences are jumbled. Write them in the correct order. I am sure that you have learnt in your second standard a group of words that make a proper sentence, that may give a proper meaning, is a sentence. Okay, so you have, these are a group of words. Now what their meaning is, these words, put it in a correct order so that you will get a complete meaning. I will read this for you. Have, home, at, I, garden, a. Does it give any sense? Does it make any sense? Does it give you a proper understanding? Surely no. It will not give you proper understanding because it's just jumbled. It's all over. The words are mixed all over. Now what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to arrange the words in a proper sentence, in a proper way, so that it gives a correct meaning. Once again, I'll read it for you. Have, home, at, I, garden, a. I've also done this for you so that the next time when I will give you a different kind of assignment. You can do it at home. Okay, children, in your CW book. But here, I mentioned it because this is the first time you're going to do it. So I am going to help you to do it. So the next time when I do it, it will be much more easier for you to understand and do it, children. Okay? So, I have a garden at home. What, children? Now, these are slash. Okay? Now, when you are writing a sentence, you don't have to put slash like this. You only have to give finger spacing, start with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. That's the thumb rule. Everyone must know it. You begin with a cap letter, you end with a full stop. Then when you're making a sentence, no using slash like this way. Understood, children? This is only an example where it's different words. Now the words that are jumbled, you are making it into a correct sentence. Okay? Okay. I have a garden at home. Does it give sense? Does it make sense? Look at this. Have home at I garden a. Have home I at garden a. If somebody talks to you like that way, will you understand? No. Surely you will get muddled up. What are they trying to tell you? Okay, you don't know. But if they say, I have a garden at home. Yes, now you understood. Wow, they have a garden at home. It's clear for you. So, this is jumbled words, children. Make the honey bees will. Okay, look at this. Make the honey bees will. Make the honey bees will. If I speak like that way, what will you understand? No, you correctly will know something is wrong with this English. Okay, so now we'll make it into proper sentence. Bees will make the honey. Bees will make the honey. Okay, next one. Plants my eye in grow garden. Plants my eye in grow garden. I grow plants in my garden. Now you got it, children? Okay. Water the I plants every day. Water the I plants every day. Okay, now I water the plants every day. Make sure the thumb rule, begin with a cap letter, end with a full stop. Only remember, children, suppose if they ask a question, if it's a questionable sentence, then you will not put a full stop, but you will put a question mark. This also I will explain very clearly to you in my next class. Okay. Now it says, trace the following and copy them in your 4-line book. Look at this. How neatly they have written. Trees give us fruits, shadow and oxygen. What are they trying to tell you? They're saying, take your 4-line book or your CW book and then copy it down just like this. What, children? After trees there are finger spacing. Look at the writing. One is not, they are proportionate, they have size and they are very clear and neat. Okay? Now you have to follow the same method. If in one line you do not have this much, you cannot write so much, go to the second line, no problem. Okay, children? Okay, now if you write trees give us fruits in the first line, you put a comma. In the second line, you can put a shadow and oxygen. You need not crumple the whole thing in the first line itself. You can use even the second line. Okay? Now, grow trees, save the forest and the earth. Okay? It says grow trees, save the forest and the earth. Now these are very important logics that you have to learn. You have to save trees. Then if you grow trees, you will save forest and you will save the earth, because in the above line it says that trees give us fruits, shadow and oxygen. You know the benefit out of it. You know what we are getting out of it. So growing trees is very important. So this should be in one page and the next one should be in one page. Write it down very clearly with finger spacing. Begin with capital letter, end with a full stop. Wherever there's a comma, please put a comma and write it clear and send it on the assignment group. Now you also have a project to do. Take a cup, put some soil, put some seeds, water it and then keep it by the sunlight. See that every day you water it, take care of it, and tell us when a plant comes, send a picture of it to me. Is that clear, children? This is your assignment, because growing a plant is very, very important. Every person should grow a plant, at least one plant a year. It will help us. Remember that, children. Okay? Now let's go to page number 8. Now page number 8 says proverbs or sayings. Proverbs are sentences that has a lot of meaning. Okay, children? It's a sentence that is apt, that is correct, and it has a deep meaning in it. Can you think of any proverbs, sayings related to plants and trees in English or your mother tongue? Rearrange the saying given below. Add a few more. Given below, add a few more. Now what he says is, there are 4 proverbs here, which are all again jumbled. What we are supposed to do, these proverbs that are jumbled, first of all we should arrange it in a correct sentence and then write it down in this blank. And secondly, he says is, add a few more. Any other proverbs that you know or your parents knows, ask them about relating about plants only, children. Plants and trees. Okay, children? Find out and write it. Let's do it. First one. Forest save the earth, save the. Now this space that they have given is not sufficient for you to write the answers, because if you write the answers you can't keep finger spacing, then you will jumble the whole thing, you will make it very close and muddle the whole thing. I don't want such thing to happen, so I have written below. What you do is you draw lines across. Okay, once you draw lines, take your scale and a pencil, draw a line, and then you write very neatly. Forest save the earth, save the. Okay, let's begin. The first one. Save the trees, save the forest. Understood, children? Save the trees, save the forest. Begin with cap letter, end with full stop. Remember, when you're writing the sentence, remove the slash. Second one. Walk on the green grass, do not. Okay, let's begin with the answer. Do not walk on the green grass. Now when you go to park and all, they tell you, no, don't walk on the green grass. Come to the side, because they are maintained it well, and we should not walk on the green grass. Do pluck not the flowers. Your answer is, do not pluck the flowers. Okay. Fourth one. Avoid environment and save the plastic. Recently, children, you would have noticed that everywhere in the TV, outside, in shops, they say don't use plastic spoon, plastics, anything in plastic bag, plastic covers, plastic plates. Do not use plastic and carry a cloth bag even to shop, because plastics is very dangerous to the environment. It's not good for the environment. Okay, now let's see. Avoid plastic and save the environment. Okay, children. Now I have not drawn lines, but I'm looking forward that you will draw lines and write it very neatly, children. Is that clear? Now let's go to page number Page number 30, it says my progress. Look children, read all this. See if you have progressed in any of this. If you know, I can recite the rhyme without mistakes. Andre, which one is that? 4 seeds in a hole. If you can say it without mistake, put a tick. Okay children, I can talk the dialogues. Yes, if you know, put the tick. Check, counter check whether you know whether you have understood page number 9. If you know everything, put a tick. Well done children. You have completed the lesson 1 and I will meet you in the next class for lesson number 2. Okay children, have a nice day. Thank you children.